Hey guys, so I'm going to be showing you Dusty's tank today. Right now I have him in Blaze's old cage actually, and she's in our new cage. He's on coconut kind of bedding. He has a light on, the little bush, a water bowl. I got him blue obviously because he's a boy. It doesn't matter. He's right there. He's so cute. And a little log. I'm also going to end up cluttering this more over here. I just haven't had the money at the moment. But I did try to do this so he feels more comfortable at least. I definitely wanted to get him a wood stick like I have a wood stick like I have for Blaze. He's been doing pretty good. That's him. He is absolutely cute. He's a black pastel. It took a little while for him to actually get used to me and Evan walking by the cage. Oh my god, he hated it. Like, he would jump because, you know, they put them in those little cubby things, you know, at breeders. And they're not used to people walking by. So, definitely something new to him. I'm going to go ahead and show Blaze to show you guys how she's doing. I'm not going to actually pick him up today. I just want him to relax so he can eat for me tomorrow. Blaze's cage is not the greatest looking right now. It is empty as well. It's more, I guess you could say it has 2 logs, but her water bowl, she has a medium-sized log, a large-sized log, a wood to climb. I'm planning on moving that over as, you know, of course, we get more stuff, and I have this light fixture. And you guys are probably wondering why. Why is it not on the top? This originally is not my tank. This is a tank that came with my boyfriend's, when he had his ball python. And I do not know where to get a lid that would work. And this is the lid they gave us. So what I did is I created a little cage around the light. So Missy over here doesn't try to climb inside the light. Because that's a no. She'll burn herself. So definitely I have that protection. And then she's in there. And I got the little humidity thing. I need to get one for him. But I'll just take hers out. Put it in that one for a little bit. Just, you know, to see where it's at. She has that bedding, still I got the same bedding for her. And she's doing really good. She's gotten so big, it's ridiculous, guys. She is eating for us. She's now on medium mice. She only takes 1 though, but she's on medium now, and I'm really excited. Because tomorrow we are going to get live. I'm not sure if I'm going to get her a medium live, just because I don't want her to get injured by the mouse fighting back or anything like that. So definitely might get her a smaller one. Him, I'm only going to feed him live. I'm going to feed him, I think, 2 fuzzies. I think that's what they're called. Yeah, 2 fuzzies or 1. Because either way, if he doesn't eat them, Blaze will eat them. So I'm not too worried about that. So I'm going to probably get him 2 fuzzies. He's probably going to be able to eat 1, as you guys saw how small he was. But yeah, this is their tanks right now. I know they're not the greatest. I definitely want to, like, say, I want to clutter it up more, you know, so they feel more relaxed and stuff, and they're not worrying. And I'm also going to get a different light for her, because since it's in the cage, it's a lot more intense than being, like, on top. So I'm definitely going to lower the wattage so it's not as hot, but it's warm enough where she can go under it to get a hot spot. That's definitely a goal. I actually think she likes to be handled, because every time I put her in a tank, she's trying to crawl right up back my arms. She really likes to be handled and held. But, you know, sooner or later I do gotta put her up. I don't hold her for too long, but, you know, I need to handle her every so often so she doesn't get aggressive. But she really is a sweetheart. She eats well for me. Just look how thick she's gotten. That's crazy. Her little head muscles are coming in. She's still a pretty color. We're waiting for her to go and shed. So she kind of looks, you can see the dullness right there. Especially pastels, as they get older, they do get darker.